Hey everyone! Welcome to the ultimate guide for freelancers looking to master digital marketing. Want to grow your freelancing business using digital marketing? You're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale, this video will cover the best strategies to attract clients, build your brand, and increase your income. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about why digital marketing matters. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any freelancer. Freelancing success isn't just about skills, it's about visibility. You could be the best at what you do, but if no one knows about you, it won't matter. Digital marketing helps you reach the right audience, stand out, and consistently get high-paying clients. It's about making sure your target audience knows who you are and what you offer. Trust me, it's a game changer. When done right, digital marketing can transform your freelancing career. So, what are the key strategies? Let's break it down. We'll cover personal branding, content and SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, paid ads, and lead generation. Personal branding is crucial. Choose a niche, create a professional profile, and share your expertise. Your brand is what sets you apart from the competition. Make sure your online presence screams expert. This means having a polished LinkedIn profile, an engaging personal website, and active social media accounts. Next, content and SEO. Write valuable blogs, optimize for search engines, and aim to rank higher. The more valuable content you produce, the more you establish yourself as an authority in your field. When you're the go-to source for information, clients will flock to you. SEO helps ensure that your content is found by those who need it most. Social media marketing is a powerhouse. Use LinkedIn for networking, Instagram for showcasing work, and Twitter for engagement. Each platform offers unique opportunities to connect with potential clients. Each platform has its strengths, so leverage them wisely. Consistent engagement and quality content are key. Email marketing is another gem. Build an email list, send valuable content, and nurture leads. Email marketing allows you to build a direct relationship with your audience. It's like having a direct line to potential clients who are already interested in what you offer. Regular, valuable communication can turn leads into loyal clients. Don't forget about paid ads. Use Google and Facebook ads to target the right clients. Paid ads can give you a significant boost in visibility and reach. With the right keywords and audience, you can see amazing results. It's all about targeting and optimization. And finally, lead generation. Create automated sales funnels to convert visitors into paying clients. A well-designed funnel can guide potential clients through the decision-making process. Automation is your friend here. Let it work for you while you focus on delivering top-notch work. Tools like email sequences and CRM systems can save you time and effort. Digital marketing is a game changer for freelancers. Implement these strategies consistently, and you'll see results. Remember, consistency is key in digital marketing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which strategy you'll try first. Your feedback helps me create better content for you. See you in the next video. Keep hustling and stay motivated.